Hi everyone, Petalisbless here. Welcome back to my channel. Your girl is still under the weather, but I feel okay. My voice is gone. But I'm coming on to share with you another glam DIY idea that I have to share with you guys. And today's video is sponsored by COEE bags. I have another bag for them to share with you guys, but I'll share that with you a little later on in the video. So let me show you the items that we'll be using for today's DIYs. Okay, so it is a dollar store inspired DIY. So I have these tea light holders from the Dollar Tree. I have them in two sizes. And this first vase that I have here is from the Dollar Tree. This taller one here is from a local dollar store in my area called a Dollarama. And I have these metallic gold strips that I got off of Amazon. These are so nice. It's my first time using them. And I have some black spray paint that I got from Walmart. So I'm just going to use some painter's tape and tape off our vases where I want them to be painted. Okay, so that was nice and easy. So now I'm just going to do the same thing to the taller vase. So here we go. I'm going to take the spray paint and go outside and spray paint our vases. Quick and easy. That's all we're going to do for the first DIY number 1. And here is our finished look. Yeah. Don't they look lovely? So nice and clean. All we did was tape them up and spray paint the bottom half with our black paint, and we got an elegant and glam new look for our vases. I love how they look so sleek and clean, just like this. They look absolutely beautiful. And here is another look. I put the 2 tea light candle holders inside. Doesn't that look lovely? You could just see the top of them, which gives the vase another elegant and glam style. I think it looks lovely. These 2 first looks were so easy and glam to do, no work at all. Just spray paint, let them dry, and you have a lovely piece of decor. So leave me a comment down below and tell me what you think of our first 2 DIY looks. So now, if you give me a chance, I'm going to give you a quick look of our sponsored bag that we got from COEE bags. Okay, here's the box that the bag came in. It's a Louis Vuitton. Comes in a nice big box. I'm just going to open the box and show you what's inside. So here is the bag. So I'm just going to take that out and see what else is in the box. So it comes with a bag, a gift bag, in case you want to gift it to someone. Very nice. And then it comes with some instructions on your bag, I guess some little certificates and stuff like that about your bag. Okay, it comes in a nice, what they call these, dust bags, so you could keep it and store your bag if you want to. So let's take it out. And here we go. And it comes with this little strap here, and it comes with a larger strap that you can adjust to a different length. And it comes with some more little instructions on your bag, I guess. Anyways, let's put this strap on the bag. There we go. It's a nice little decorative piece for your bag. I think this looks so nice. So let's look on the inside of our bag now. So it comes with these 2 small handles also. And here's the space inside. Lots of room. Lots of room on both sides. And in the middle there's a zipper pocket. So you keep any little little personal items that you don't want to be seen, you could zipper it inside this section here. And it has two little strings on the side that you could tighten the bag even tighter. And here's the overall look of the bag. It is the Louis Vuitton Bella tote bag. That is the name. Louis Vuitton Bella tote bag. I love it. I think it's absolutely beautiful. And I like the attention to the detail. It looks very nice. And she also comes in other shades. Not only this color, she comes in a variety of colors. Okay, here it is on my hand. So you can carry it this way. And this is how it looks from this angle. And here it is just holding it in my hand with the small straps. And here it is with the long strap on this side. And on the other side. And the strap can adjust even longer. So here it is with the two small straps. And like I said, it has the long strap, and you can adjust it even longer if you want to wear it crossbody or even longer on your side. I love it. So I will leave a link below for Clio bags, and I have a discount code, and the code is PTDIY. You'll get 13% off your purchase. Yeah, so I'll leave all that info down below, so you can click on the links down there, go over, see what they have, and get a nice bag for yourself. And I hope you look into this one, because it's really nice. I love it. Alright everyone, let's get back into today's DIY. Now for the next half of our DIYs, we have our vase here. And I have these metallic sheets that I got from Amazon. And they come in different sizes. Here's another one here. And another one here. So I have 3 sizes in them. 3 are gold, and in the package 1 is silver. So I got 3 gold and 1 silver. And I'm going to be using it to go around our vase, which I'll be using this size here to go around the vase. And it has the self-adhesive on the back. So I'm just going to place it on our vase and go right around to the other side. There we go. Okay, so now we have our tall vase, and I'll be doing the same thing. And I'll be using this one here, which is a little smaller than the one I used on the other vase. And I'm going to be doing the same thing, applying it, going right around the vase. And here is our next set of look for these vases. I think they look nice and elegant with the gold strip going around. The gold metallic strip. A lovely piece of decor for your coffee table or anywhere you'd like to place it throughout your home. And here they are with some roses in the tall vase. And we put back our candle, our tea light candle holder in the small vase. I think they look lovely. And I'll lead you in the right direction, yeah. Just stay close to me now, protect you, babe. 'Cause I've been searching high and low for. We got so many decor styles using some simple vases from the dollar store. Some spray paint, a little added metallic strip, And we have some lovely decor for our home. Nice, quick and easy decor ideas. So leave me a comment down below and let me know if you like it all plain, slick and elegant, just like this, or if you like it with the gold added going around, the gold strips, or if you love it with the flowers and the candles inside. Either way, I think they all look lovely. So that's all your girls got for you today. So I'd like to thank you for coming on and seeing the DIYs I have to share with you. Hopefully I get back my voice soon. But your girl's doing okay, just my voice is not back yet. I don't know why. Anyways, remember as always to stay blessed from Petalisbless, and I will catch you on the next one. Bye bye everyone.